Welcome. In this video I'm going to talk about replacing the anode rod in my camper, and I'm doing this in my 2021 KZ Escape E17 hatch, but this pertains to many other campers that use an anode rod that's similar. So here I have a couple of anode rods, and I've had an issue getting this threaded in at times. My fingers don't fit back where this gets installed. Now I can use a socket to get a little bit of an extension, but you can see here this socket is so deep that it covers up most of those threads. Now this is a different style anode rod. This has deeper threads on it, so this one will work a little bit better. Now one thing I tried was taking some hot glue and this nut and putting it inside here to make it shallower. But then I came across this Capri 1 1/16 inch shallow impact socket. So if you find this video helpful and you want to purchase one of these, I'll put a link to it in the description, and if you use that link, it helps me out a little bit and doesn't cost you anything extra. So if we look at this socket on the anode rods, like here, you can see there's a lot of threads exposed. On this one you have a ton of threads exposed. So now I can use this socket to help me thread this on. So you can see with this socket, if I were to put this on here, I can't thread this on. With the Capri I can. Now I want to mention that normally I would have thread sealant tape on here, but for this video I haven't put it on yet. I'm going to remove this and put the tape on and reinstall it later. So here I can put this socket on and I can tilt it up and down, left and right, and get it lined up with the threads. And here I got the thread started easily. So now I can connect my ratchet and tighten this down. So if you're having trouble getting your anode rod started and you're using a traditional socket like this, I would check out this shallow socket. I think this makes it much easier to get the anode rod in. So that's all I'm going to cover in this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. If you like this video, please click like. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd appreciate if you could do that. And thanks for watching. Until next time, goodbye.